Ẹ káàárọ̀ o ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Ṣàlàáfíà lẹ́wà. Today we will complete the body part we began in the last lesson. I hope you can now identify in Yoruba each body part we did in the last class.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma.
Where did we stop? We stopped at number 9. Okay. So now number 10 is Orun.
Excuse me ma, what about cheek and jaw?
Oh, thank you. Cheek is called Ereke and jaw is Agbon. Please ensure you note the tones carefully. Jaw is Agbon with redo tone. And cheek is Ereke. And the accent on cheek, Ereke, is Dodomi. Please be writing. Ade, please help get another marker from the next class. This one is feeding.
Ma, there is no extra marker.
Oh, no problem then. I will dictate the remaining. I would like you all to use your phones to record while you write on your notebooks. You will use the recording to add the tone marks to each word as your homework. Is that okay?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma.
So number 12 is neck and it is called Orun. Orun. Can you say Orun?
Orun.
That's correct. Number 13 is shoulder. Shoulder is Ejika. I hope you get that.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma.
14, chest, and that's Aya. The next one is ham. Apa. Apa is a 3-letter word. A-P-A. Can you say Owo?
Owo.
Owo is hand. Number 17 is fingers, which is Ikawo. I hope you're all in number 17.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni ma.
18 is back. Ẹ̀yìn. Please know that the tone on back is different from teeth. Teeth is ẹ̀yìn, while back is ẹ̀yìn. You, what is back?
Ẹ̀yìn.
That's correct. Oh, our time is fast spent. Okay, let's quickly finish up the remaining. The stomach has 2 parts, the inner part and the outer part. The inner part is called Inu and the outer part is Ikun. The next one is Ibadi. Can you say Ibadi? Ibadi. That is waist.
Yes, I now remember Ibadi to be waist.
Ma, what is bum bum?
That's buttocks, Idi. What's funny about it now? What's so funny about it? You guys are not serious. Don't worry, your homework will tell if you're really paying attention or just playing. Come on, keep writing. Number 22 is thigh, and that is Iton. The next one is knee, which is Orokun. And the last one is leg, which is called Ese. Let me remind you again, you have to listen to the part of the body recorded on your phone and put the correct accent marks on each one. So see you all in the next class. Ẹ ṣé mà. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please write Ben in the comment section below. And in case you have any questions or any topic you would like us to talk about, kindly put it in the comment section as well. Many thanks to our subscribers, but please don't just watch. We would like you to also comment and share so we can grow this community together. A big shout out to Niger Drive for answering the question in the last video and for always following. We truly appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in the next class. Ó dàbọ̀.